So basically, the scope of your monthly exam is the same, no? Like long quiz. Okay. Long quiz. Hindi pa rin oo. Yuka, ikaw nga mag-present. Okay, so these are your resources, no? For your review. Okay, open yung Genio, and then Yuka, and then open yung lesson, no? It's the correlation. It's the same. Those lesson packages there are the same. Actually, may mga magagandang examples for the p-value and the t-test galing sa YouTube dapat. Pero it's complicated. It's one tail. Kasi pag one tail siya, hindi maganda. Complicated siya. It's parang college statistics na yon, no? So, tinanggal ko na yon. That's why naging two-tail lang tayo. Okay, pakipresent yung lesson package dyan, yung correlation. Para maipakita ko na yan pa rin yung resources natin, no? Some of the resources are there in the GC. Tama ba si Seth? Okay. Paano kayo sasagot ng critical kung hindi niyo alam yung resources ng link nung yung t-test table, no? Tama ba ako? Hindi niyo masasagutan yun. Tama ba, Ozzy? Hindi niyo masasagutan yung t-test, yung critical value kung wala kayong freedom, no? Parang hindi niyo alam i-apply yung freedom of degree of freedom, yung inyong N-2, di ba? Or N-1 yan, bibigay ko yan, kung ano man yan. And then yung significance level. Kung hindi nyo alam yun, ako po, hindi tayo talaga masagutan yung critical value. Okay, so yan, no? Correlation, ang liit pala sobrang liit pala, no? Pag cellphone lang. Kaya yung iba sa inyo, kung hindi ko magamit ng desktop at laptop, wala kayo natutunan. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, no? Okay. Para hindi kayo maglalo next year, hybrid. Okay? Ang tawag sa inyong learning and blending. Like that that you will have will no longer be a online, not pure online or blend kasi it's synchronous or asynchronous. It's like that. Sorry? The public offers us for the modular own content on every contact is no figure out which school is actually offering the new type of learning, which is the hybrid. No? Okay, so we will be learning the hybrid later, but I do have the idea already. What is hybrid? Okay, it will be like this. There will be parents who will not send you to school. Okay, are you listening? Okay, there will be parents who will not send you to school. So your safety is, of course, no, is first. Okay, your safety is first for them. So they will not send you at school, no face to face. Okay, so they will avail for still online, but you will be mixed in learning with those who will be availing for the face to face. That's why it's called hybrid now. No, so your classmates are there in the school, while you, if your parents opted to actually have that online still, you're mixed with them. Nakuha? Ganun po yung magiging hybrid. Pero sa akin, sinasuggest ko talaga sa akin sa PCA, it will not be the choices dapat. No, of the parents, dapat first week online yung iba. Okay, the half online yung iba. Parang magpupan lang sila, mag-share, tawag yan, mag-shift lang sila, no? There is a shifting. in the schedule. Okay, 1 week kayo, sige, face-to-face. The others half, they will be online. And then the following week, it will be the vice versa. Dapat ganun lang. Okay, ewan ko lang kay Sir Jun, no? Okay, kasi kung talagang ipipilit talaga yan ng parents nyo, na you should stay at home, wala tayong magagawa, no? So for the other schools, I think are open to that now, no? It will be introduced to all schools. Okay. So ayan, no, piniplay na piniplay na ni pangalan niya ni Yuka.
Some research has the relationship of two variables. The analysis of relationship between these variables are best presented using numerical data and a statistical method used to determine the degree of relationship between variables is called correlation. Moreover, the statistical
Can you
method
skip
used
that?
in
Okay lang?
determining the nature of relationship, linear,
Okay, so
from
everything there,
correlating
okay, everything there, Yuka, Yuka tuloy, grade 10 Exodus should be reviewed, no? Okay, so we actually considered all of them, no? For your monthly exam. Ako ha? And then siguro dadagdag ko na lang 'to, that one and this one. Tapos gawa pa ako. I'll give you Excel, no? Okay, sige. Okay na po tayo diyan, ha? Can you just type okay? Okay with your review, sorry, your resources? That is correlation and hypothesis testing, no? Tama ba ako? Again, it's correlation and hypothesis testing. Nandiyan po yan, no? Okay. So kung okay na tayo, paki-chat box po na okay na tayo dyan. And I'll give you this one, the same, no? It's still in Genio. This one is a file, Excel file. Ibibigay ko na lang din sa inyo ito. Okay, pa-exit ako dyan. Pangalan nito? Luka. Sige pa, while waiting for the Excel, ang gagawin ko, alam po, ito na si Steph. Lalo bagal yung computer. Okay, ganito ha. Bigyan ko kayo ng mga tips. Kung bibili kayo ng laptop, lalo sa your high school, huwag kayong bibili ng mga Celeron, ha? Okay, huwag kayong yung mga matagal na yung process yun, no? Basta may process, may processing na, tawag ng processor, yan, processor. Huwag kayong bibili ng mga mura, kayo o mahal na Celeron. Basta ang dapat niyong bilhin po yung may mga i3, i5, i7 na nga ngayon. I do not know if it's i10 na, no? Yung processor na may mga i. Okay? Kasi yun, mabilis yun. Ang mga Celeron, wag po. Do not buy those, no? Even if they are cheap. Sasakit ka agad ang ulo niyo. Okay. So may mga i, oh, yung processor. Yan yung mga binibenta sa tawag yan? Sa online, no? Tapos, okay, ito na. Sino wait lang, Gomo. Sino gumagamit ng Gomo? Wait lang, gusto ko kayo makita. Turuan ko na rin kayo para tipid-tipid kayo. O kaya yung dito dati, no? Dito. So I was amazed by this SIM, no? This SIM. It is powered by either Smart, I think, and or Globe. Pero they do not own those SIM. Okay, ito na si Sir Romel. Wait lang. Feeling ko kanina hindi niyo naman ako narinig, eh. Narinig niyo ba ako kanina? Okay, tingnan ko lang, ha. Hello, yan. Sige, chat box din kayo ulit. Do you know dito? D-I-T-O. SIM and or GOMO. G-O-M-O. Yun yung mga SIM, no, ng cellphone. Can you just chat it box? Chat it box. Chat box. Yes or no? Hindi po kasi very good. Tingnan nyo. Meron kayong internet sa home, no? You do have internet at home and we do not have problem with that, no? It's just that our problem is that we carry, of course, our internet. Paper yan, or kung ano man yan, labas, no? Hindi naman talaga natin makakarry yan, makamodel yan. Ito siya. Okay, meron mga hindi lang pinapromote ng Globe and site because they would afraid, no, that everyone will actually buy the GOMO and dito. Kaya hindi nila pinapromote. Sa Facebook lang yan at saka sa mga iba. Okay, bakit? Ito kasi yung mga dito at saka yung GOMO, wala silang expiry. Okay? Walang expiry yan. Okay, so this is good actually when you go out and you need data, no? Okay, nauna yata ang dito. Kung sumabay na rin si Go. You see, it's in available by my sister, Becky sister. Becky sister, no? Ago pa. A year ago pa. Ngayon niya lang sinabi. Bakit kamo? Kasi nga, minsan, pag wala tayong wifi or lalabas tayo, di ba, we tend to actually, or we load our cell phone with 50 pesos, 3 days, 5 gig only. Only, no? 3 days. Expiry. O yung GOMO, yung dito, ito ang pagkakaiba. Yung dito kasi expiry is 1 month. Okay, regardless kung ilan yung pinaload nyo, ilang ginon. Okay. Pero for GOMO, it's okay. It's mas maganda. No expiry at all, no? Kung ang dito ay 1 month, itong GOMO, no expiry. So it means to say, for the initial buying of the SIM, if you do have 30 gig in that SIM, meron kayong unlimited days. Walang expiry yun. Okay, so maganda, no? So, yun na lang ang kaibahan. Sa mga Globe and Smart, kung dito sila doon, kayo doon sa Smart and Globe, syempre malakas, no? Kasi itong mga SIM na to, powered lang, no? Powered by Globe, ang GOMO, ang Smart yata. Yung dito yata is Smart. I do not know. Exactly. Okay. So, makakatipid na kayo, no? So, ibig sabihin, avail na po kayo. Ibigyan ko kayo ng mga forward ko sa inyo. Okay, makaka-avail kayo ng 1 gig if you avail for their SIM na 299. Ito ang mahigit doon, no? Maganda. Yung gig nyo can be converted into calls or text. Lang na gig. Kunyari, ang gig nyo is 30, mga 0.20 lang or 24 na gig, 0.4 lang yun, no? Hindi na siya mag-gig text. Minutes call. So, pwede mo siya convert ng ganun. Pwede siyang ganun. Tingnan ko, ha? Huwag lang mahilig. Siyempre, maubos na yun. Talagang nasa labas kayo. Kuha. Okay. Pag lagi nasa labas lang, no? Oo. Hindi ko sinabing alam kung di-stay lang kayo sa home. Pag high school na kayo. Kuha. Pag talabas na tayo. Huwag muna ngayon. Pero sabihin nyo na sa parents nyo, no? Lalo na sa mga parents nyo na laging pag-download 50, tapos 3 days na naman ako, no? Okay, pag-aralan nyo, yung hindi po, no po, ang daming naka-no po. Okay, hindi niyo pala alam 'to 'no? Okay, so yun yan, gig yan, convertible into calls and texts. Meron kayong app para ma-convert siya. Feeling ko trabaho ko sa Go. Hindi po, hindi po trabaho. Para makatipid tayo, ang mga pamilya niyo, okey? Okey, sige. Parang humihina na nga 'tong globe, eh. Feeling ko yung computer ko, sorry. Okay, sige, let's answer first. Sana si Moranya. Out ka na muna, Moranya. Magre-review kami, yan kasalanan mo, wala kang review. Wala kang long quiz. Okay, chat kita ha, pagbabalik ka na. Sige, stay ka naman dyan. Wag. Hindi ka mag-stay. Nape-perfect mo yung exam. Ay, yung quiz. Ayan, nawala na siya. O sige, gawa ng ni Lord. Okay, punta muna tayo dito, no? Sabihin na natin to. Baka lumabas din na dito. Green pass. Spin servo. And then Catherine 20. So, virtual yan. Yes. Sa Chan 17. Wow. Eliana is 7. Eliana Venice. Other is 7. Okay, so review lang. Okay, sige. Pero ako. Hello? Sige. Okay, may tinatanong si Samuel dito eh. Okay, bakit daw mali yung sa... Eh, mali talaga, no? Kung hindi kayo marunong mag-cipher. Okay, pag ang minimum, hindi po dito ang minimum, no? Hindi po ito ang minimum, 0 to 20. This is your number line. Okay? Okay. Ang whisker or box and whiskers plot, ito po siya. No? Okay. Ang minimum, hindi po yung 0, bagkus 5. Ito kasi yan, no? Ito yung whisker mismo. Ayan. And then, maximum, it's 24. Okay? Sabi ko nga dyan, below are whole numbers, no decimal places. Okay? Iba dyan, may 5 point something of 4. Okay. So, dito, ang gitna nito, 23, no? 20, 21, 22, 23, 20, 21, 23, 24, 25. Oh. Ang gitna niyan, hindi actually 23. It's 22.5, no? 22.5. Pero ito, malayo yan. So, nasa, okay, it's I, either pa 23 na siya o 24. But for the sum, they guess it's 24, no? Okay, why? Because I think it's closer or it's closer uh to 23.5. Okay? And it could be at 24. That's why if you actually make it a whole number, it must be 24, no? Nandito siya. Okay, sige. And then this one, sige, next time, lalagyan ko ng mga guhit-guhit na dyan, no? Okay, ito pinahula ko lang naman talaga sa inyo yan. Median, of course, it's 15 tumapat sa 15. Ito po ang median, ha? Okay, this is your box now. Sometimes this is a rectangular box they call or just a box, no? Okay, so for that one, this one is the median. And this one is the lower hinge. Tama ba ako? Okay, and this one, not the lower, it's the left hinge. This one is the right hinge. Left hinge, right hinge. Ito po ay 8. Okay? So, nandito na naman tayo, no? 5 and 7, if you added, it's 15 over 2, it's 7.5. O, 8 nga siya, no? Nandito siya. Okay, and then 17. Okay, add them together, it's 35, 17.5, 17 nga ito. Okay, so next time, meron pa tayong mga lines dyan. Okay na po tayo. Okay, so left hinge is actually a quarter 1, no? Sorry, quartile 1. Median is there, quartile 2, and right hinge is your quarter 3. Okay, let's go. Naintindihan? Okay, thumbs up. Parang hindi naintindihan. Okay, let's go. Baka bumalik na yung si Moranya. Wala na, perfect na. Absent. Okay, next. Okay, this must be your answer, no? Yung iba ang galing ng interpretation, ha? Very good, no? Kikita nila yan, no? So this is more spread, no? So see, compared to this one, no? It is so little. This one is so spread, no? Nakuha? Okay. Ibig sabihin yan, yung data nyo, ang dami, ng pagka-spread niya, no? Okay, hindi sila pare-parehas. No? They're not the same scores. Unlike that of group 2, close are 41, 41, 43, 45, and 40. This is so close, no? To each other. And 52 and 52 is so close to each other. Okay, that's why that is the box plot, no? That you can draw. Okay. So, again, group 1, this one is group 1. Hindi nyo na kailangan mag-drawing, no? Hindi nyo kailangan mag-compute. Wala akong pinapa-compute dyan. Ito na po, no? Interpret this one already. Okay. Like in your thesis, no? Okay. If you have the data, do the visual. For this case, it's the box and whisker plot or box plot. And how do you interpret it? Ganun po, ha? Para sa thesis nyo, no? Ang dami, ha? Sige, balik kayo sa pie. Graph, kung gusto niyo different graphs. Baka gusto niyo pa pictograph. Okay, punta kayo. Pwede kayong mag-frequency distribution table, no? Or simple. Bahala kayo doon. Kung may percentage, lagyan nyo ng percentage yung table ng frequency distribution table nyo. It's okay. Pinag-aralan natin yan. Okay, what else? And so on and so forth. Okay. And then this one, remember the kurtosis, no? The normal curve also. Okay. Kung z-score, kaya nyo explain doon, sige, gawan nyo. Bahala kayo. Okay, let's go. So these are the visuals. Sabi dyan, group 1, data is a bit more spread out than group 2. Okay? Okay, just comparing the two. And then 50% of the data values in group 2, ito po, no, are more condensed. They are more condensed. They are near to each other. They are condensed. Alam niyo naman ang condensed, no? Condensed. Just the opposite of the spread out, of course. Group 1. Okay? So those are the answers. Next, let's go. Okay, the length of the box in the box plot represents the interquartile range. Okay. Ito po siya, no? This one. Okay, if you see this box here, it represents the length, no, of the box, and that is the interquartile range. Nakuha? O, interquartile talaga. Bakit? Nasaan ba yung quartile 1 mo? Ito nga yung quartile 1 mo. Ito yung quartile 3 mo. Quartile 2 mo ito, no? Okay, so quartile range is of course, no? Should include quartile 2, 3, and 1. Next, the ends of the rectangular box in the box plot are called the hinges, left and right. Next, maliit ba? Lakayan nyo na lang. Okay, if the right whisker of the block is longer than left, then the data is negatively skewed. O baka baligtarin ko ito, ha? Okay, gawin kong true. Okay, if the right whisker of the box is longer than the left, then the data is positively skewed. O, magiging true na yun. No? It will become true. Or, I'll make, if the left whisker of the block is longer than the left, the data said, the data set is negatively skewed, no? It's either. Ganun dapat kayo, no? Logically, dapat marunong kayo tumingin kung ano yung nasa, okay. Okay, ito ay left, magiging right. Okay, ito naman ay magiging, okay, ano ba siya, no? Positively. So you have this in mind, and whatever Sir Rommel will be doing, it will be a right or left here, and then positively or negatively skewed. Okay. Dapat alamin, no? Hindi yung naka-stick kayo sa statement. Hindi niyo man lang alam yung, di ba pinag-aralan niyo yan sa inyong mathematics, yung sa mga if and then close? Okay? Tama ba ako? Sige, parang hindi naman pinag-aralan kay Ma'am Maraya 'to. Di ba pinag-aaralan niyo yung if and then close? If, and then is T-H-E-N close, no? Okay, hindi ko alam kung nandiyan kayo o wala. Okay, minsan kasi binabaligtad din si Romel yan, no? Okay, pag ito yung memorize nyo, eh patay, no? Okay, exploratory data analysis and approach. Okay, that is so easy. Okay, your box plot is an exploratory data, no? Ako ha? Okay, sige, let's go. Ayan. Faith, anong ginawa dito? Paano mo siya ginawa ng mabilis? Paki-share.
Sir, para po dun sa table, in-input ko po siya sa Excel para po mabilis yung um, solve. So I don't have to do it manually po. And then, as for getting the correlation as well as the correlation itself po, I did it manually.
Oh, ganito lang siya kabilis, no? Diyos ko po. Manual yan. Ano gagawin nyo dyan? Tutungaan nyo, no? 1, 2, 6, 8. Okay, ano na siya? Di ba sabi ko nga sa inyo, ito yung coefficient correlation? Yan. Diba? Okay. Saan to nakukuha? Saan to nasusolve? Aliyah? Ito mismo yung sagot, no? Okay, yan yung sagot. 0.64775. Aliyah, saan kinuha ni Sir yung x? Ito to. Ito mismo.
TVIST po.
Hindi. Dito, multiple R. Kasi pareho niya rin lang to, no? Ano? Meron din, no? Yung sa'yo. Pero ito ang tinatanong ko eh. Ito po mismo. Ano ang i-generate nyo? Saan kayo pupunta? Aliyah?
Sa data analysis po.
Very good. Punta kayo sa data analysis class, no? Ano to? Yes, I want to review this. Magka-close to. Ay, hindi. Okay, sige. So, sabi niya, punta kayo sa data analysis. Of course, sa data kayo, no? Sa taas. And then data analysis. If you do not have this one, you can actually access your YouTube on how to actually have this one, no? Under data. Diyos ko po, paulit-ulit na sinasabi ko, no? Okay. Nandoon yun, i-guide kayo. Kasi ito sa ibang Excel, wala yan. Okay, so data analysis, click nyo yan. And then, tinuro ko na ulit to. 16 na, no? And then, sabi ko nga, punta kayo sa regression. Ayan, no? And then, tignan nyo yan, no? Tinuro ko na sa inyo yan kung paano yan gawin. Ito yung lalabas. Okay? Ayan yung lalabas. Tapos sabi ko sa inyo, ang coefficient correlation, ito yan, no? Yan. Tapos ang p-value ito, no? Again, ang coefficient correlation ay yan. Ang p-value ay yan. Tsaka ito, no? Magkapareho sila. Yan, no? Okay. Again, p-value to. P-value naman, magkapareho yan. No? P-value to, no? Yan yung kinukuha dyan. And then, yung sinasabi ni Aliyah, ito yan, no? Okay. Tignan natin dito. Kilaki yan ni Sir, no? Okay. Pero ito po, kailangan nyo ng t-test. Oh, ayan. Okay. Yung sinasabi ni Aliyah. Oh, sorry. Okay. So parang mali ka, Aliyah, no? Dapat yung 1.6999, ito yung t-test value. Okay? Okay. Ito po, sinasabi mo, Aliyah, ito yung p-value, ha? Okay. Hindi yung sagot mo kanina, tapos chinis mo, baka ma-confuse sila, ha? Okay. Isa-isayin natin. Isa-isayin natin. So, saan to kinukuha? 0.6477 64755. Pwede dyan, no? Data analysis. Or dito, kung gusto niyo mag-manual. Tama ba? Okay. So, iba yata sa inyo, nag-manual, no? Okay. Bahala kayo, no? Paano nyo nga naman magagamit yung Excel kung wala man lang kayong data analysis, no? Okay. So, dito kayo para makuha nyo yung answer 64755. Because this will actually give you a coefficient correlation, no? The R value. Nakuha? Okay. Ayun yan, no? Ito yung bibigay. Kung ayaw nyo doon, dito, no? Ito siya. Okay. Tapos, ang susunod na tanong doon, okay. So, 0.64755 ang sagot mo. Iba ng hula, no? Of course, 0.64 nandito yan, no? In between 0.5 and 0.8. So, it is a moderate positive, no? Ang sagot. Yan naman tayo no? Diyos ko, Lord. Paano mo nga sasagutan yan kung hindi ka naman nakapag... Okay, sagot sa number 6 or 7 rather. Okay, let's go. Critical value. Okay. 1219 na. Ang critical value, ang kukunin nyo dyan ay itong 0.5. No? So, binigay ko na naman sa inyo yan. Saan na ba yun? Parang wala. Okay. So, babalikan nyo ng math. Walang lagi eh. Okay? So, kung ako sa inyo, ipunin nyo lahat ng resources nyo. Para hindi na kayo tingin-tingin sa iba, no? Ako naka-pin lang dyan eh. Iba kasi yung gamit ko ngayon, yung desktop. Ay! Ano ba to? Homeroom pa rin ako. Okay. So kung ako po sa inyo, no, i-pin nyo na to sa desktop, laptop nyo, no? Yan sa mga tabs nyo. Para hindi na kayo magagahol sa oras. No? Kasi pagka hanapin nyo pa yan, naku po, it's wasting time. No? Okay. So dito, critical value, paano na natin ito parang ako, pipin ko lang to sa bookmark, no? Okay, let's go. So 0.05 pero n minus 2. Ilan ba ang n nyo dyan, no? Yung pairs, no? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So n yan, no? Ay, sorry, 6. 6 is your n, no? So, your freedom is 6 minus 2, it's 4. Okay, again, your degree of freedom, you need it. It's df. Why? It's here, no? Okay, df. Ayan yan, no? df is 6 minus 2, it's 4. And then your significance, alpha, is 0.05. So you have it here, no? Ito ang sagot, no? Gagawin nyo, positive at negative lang. O, yung mga choices dyan, ito yung mga choices, no? O, yung iba sumagot na kung ano-ano. Eh, patay, no? Again, you locate two tails, 0.05. Hindi kayo one tail, ha? Hindi kayo one tail. Don't worry. Sa senior high school, yung marami nito, mas complicated pa. Bahala kayo. Okay, kung hindi kayo nakikinig ngayon, two tail to. Pag one tail, masirap na. More of experimental. One tail, taas. Two tails, dito kayo sa two tails. 0.05. And then degree of freedom, yung 4, no? Sagot ay 2.776. Okay. Yun yung critical value nyo, no? That is your boundary. Okay? Okay. Pag i-reject nyo si null hypothesis, dapat beyond doon, no? Dapat greater than 2.776 or less than negative 2.776. No? Maalala nyo yun? Dapat mas beyond those boundary, but not, of course, no? The boundary that is exclusive, no? Where your zero is exclusive. Nasa inner boundary yun, no? Bawal yun. Napipicture niyo ba sinasabi ko? Pag hindi, naku, patay. Okay, ito yan, no? And then, punta na tayo dito. T-test value na ngayon, no? Okay, sige. Formula ng t-test value. Kung memorize? Anyone? T-test value, John Rain. T-test value is equal to T is equal to 1
T is
R
equals to R, then square root of
minus,
n minus 2 divided by the square root
hindi
of
po,
1
hindi
minus
po,
R
hindi po,
squared.
mali. Ulitin mo. Okay? Ano yung sa taas? Di ba it's a fraction? Yung taas muna. R
Then
minus,
the numerator po is R minus P,
yes,
and
but
then,
with 0, right?
yes po.
Okay. So do not add any more 0 there, no? So it's automatic. It's R, no? Do not mind 0. Talagang P there is a constant 0. Okay? So again, it must be R, no? Ibig sabihin, yung sagot nyo rito, no? Yan. Over, yan rin.
over the square root of 1 minus r squared divided by n minus 2.
Okay. Naintindihan niyo siya? It's 1 minus r squared, no? Kaya ako, i-square ko na muna, no? Si r. Tapos ima-minus ko siya sa 1. Gets nyo? R square, minus ko siya sa 1. O, tapos, i-divide mo yan, di ba? By 4. Bakit ano yung 4? Okay, degree of freedom yun, no? Okay. 6 minus 2. N minus 2, sabi ni John Rain. Kaya 4 yan, no? And then, kukunin ko yung square root. Okay. And then, i-divide ko na yan, no? Yung square root, divide ko na dun sa taas. Kaya, sagot ko, 1.69956. Pag-aralan niyo yung math, no? Yung Excel, yung formula, para, Diyos ko po, kaysa sa nagsusulat kayo, edi mag-formula na lang kayo dyan. You can be wise with using Excel, you know. Mabilis lang, no? Kaysa sa magsulat kayo, nakalimutan yun na. O kung gusto niyo magsulat, gawin yung calculator Excel, ang ganda, no? Magsulat kayo yung formula, bilisan nyo lang, no? Kasi kung ayaw nyo talaga to, nako, you're wasting time. Okay, so t-test is 1.699 is the answer, no? 9956. Okay, so again, the formula is t is equal to r over the square root of 1 minus r square over n minus 2. Square root of fraction, no? Yung denominator nyo is a fraction. Pero naka-square root yung fraction. Okay, memorize your formula. Gusto po. Andiyan na nga lang kayo sa... Okay, hindi ko naman kayo pinagbabawalan, di ba? Okay. Sa formula, bahala kayo dyan. Okay, this one now, bakit siya naging null? Dahil hindi siya beyond, no? Okay, ito. Ang sagot dito ay 2.776. And ito naman ay negative, no? So, sige. Nasa gitna ito, no? Your 1.69956 is in the middle. Okay, together with the 0. Of course, 0 is here in the middle of the 2, no? 2.776, the boundary in your right, and negative 2.776, the boundary in your left. 0 is in the middle of it, no? And in this boundary, 1.69956 is also located. So it means to say, if it's inside together with the 0, you must reject, no? Okay. There is, you must accept, no? Accept, accept. There is no significance. You are choosing this one, no? Your decision is to choose a null hypothesis for your hypothesis testing, and you see that there is no significance between those two variables, the hours of sleep and the test score. Nakuha? Okay. Pero kung ito ay greater than that one, ito po, of course, no? You accept the alternative hypothesis saying there is significance. This is your answer. Nakuha? Po, paulit-ulit na lang tayo dito. Dali-dali lang. Okay. Tapos ito yung sinasabi ni Miss Aliyah, no? Okay. Ano yan? It is the p-value. Okay? Sabi ko kanina, sa Excel nyo, ang p-value nandito, no? Okay. Ito po siya. Sometimes, this p-value here in yellow will not coincide in here. That's why, no? Okay. Hindi yan magkapareho, ha? Minsan. And our previous example actually showed that, no? That these two is the same. But when you apply this TDIST, TDIST, then parenthesis, this is a formula class in Excel, no? Okay, all you need is to go and input your t-test value, freedom, and two-tail, no? Ito po, yan, dalawang yan. Nagkataon dito magkapareho. Okay? Okay, that is why if you will be asked, this will appear again, huh? Okay, if you will be asked, if you use this function in Excel or your formula in Excel, will it give you 0.1644? Okay, it's up to you, no? And then the same said, you go to the data analysis. This is the data analysis. Okay, it just so happened it's coincident. Okay, it's coincident that they are the same point. Sorry, 1 point. Sorry, tama, no, 0.1644. Actually, this is a probability, no? P-value is a probability value. P-value is a probability value. Ang laki, no? Okay. So, tingnan na natin. Ito naman ngayon ay dapat less, no? Then 0.05, that is 5%. Hello? Anong nangyari sa akin? Okay, tingnan natin, no? It's the opposite, no? Kanina dapat greater, no? Okay, sa p-value, it's less naman, no? So where are you saan mo po siya i-compare, no? P-value mo. The p-value that is 0.1644 should be compared to doon sa significance alpha that is 0.05. Okay? This one is big now, no? That must be less than 5%, no? Tama, okay? 5%. Why? Because 0.16444 is 16.44%, no? Okay. Significance alpha is only 0.05. Of course, greater. Dapat yung p-value na nakuha mo nito ay mas maliit sa 0.05. That's why, answer for 14, the value in both numbers 12 and 13, which is 0.1644, is greater than the significance alpha, hindi ko nilagay, it's 0.05, no? Okay? So, yun yung review natin. Lalabas to ulit, no? Hindi ko maintindihan kung na-review ko kayo. So, basically, that's it. And, of course, the whiskers plot, puntahan niyo po ang milestones and go doon sa end, no? Meron tawag doon yung unit test, no? May unit test doon eh. Baka kumuha ako ng whiskers plot or box and whiskers plot items doon sa dulo, yung unit test, no? What is unit test? Of course, all of the lessons are there in the unit test, no? Okay, so milestones you review and then the unit test, yung last part ng libro nyo. Baka doon na kumuha, pero ang kukunin ko doon, of course, the box plot on. Did you get me? Okay. So you can study more about the box plot, although, sorry, no? I think that there was a scarcity in the time, and I wasn't able to actually explain to you more, no? About the box plot. Okay, that's it. Alam ko gutom na kayo. And yun yung scope. Okay? Again, it's the correlation, regression, hypothesis testing of correlation, and then the box plot. Okay? Okay, okay na tayo. Sige. Bye-bye, class.